Hello, this is the review of Electrolux sports blender. So let's look at the box. In here we have one Electrolux sports blender body and two large bottles that both attach to this blender. The bottles are both PBA free, so that's good. And I think the blender was 300 watts. It's also possible to purchase extra bottles, smaller ones, for using the same blender. They are also PBA free. So they also say in this box that the bottles are dishwasher safe, taste and stain resistant, and do not shatter when they shatter and impact resistant also. So let's open the box. So let's look at the machine more closely. The blender has very nice stainless steel finish. It has one button that means that it works when you hold it down, and when you release, then the machine stops. So I think it's a very comfortable and safe solution. So, and let's look at the bottles. These are the larger ones. They hold 600 milliliters of liquid. And these are the smaller ones, and they hold 300 milliliters. So if you look at the bottle, then you can see that it has a very nice design. It's very comfortable to hold because of this line here and also this. So it is designed to hold like this. It's comfortable, and I do really like the tops because I also have to say the bottles are really sturdy. They're light but sturdy, and the top goes on so nicely that it doesn't give any fluid out. It also isn't too uncomfortable to open it. It's quite easy, but it does not give fluid out. So it's a very nice feature of these bottles. As you can see, these two bottles came with the blender, and these two bottles I purchased extra with the box. So as you can see, they all have different colors, different color tops on it. So it's a great solution for example, for a family where everybody gets their own bottle. So, and it also have this blade. Yeah, so the blender has two little marks here. This means unlocked and locked position. If we're doing a smoothie and we're putting everything inside here, the fruit, the liquid, then we attach the blade, nice and secure. And it has a little arrow, so when we're doing a smoothie, then we'll position it here on this unlocked position, push it down and turn, then it's nice and secure. So now we can blend. I'll do a little demonstration of this bottle to you. So now we have water here. We'll attach this top, turn it on tightly. We'll close this one, and as you can see, there is nothing coming out of here. I can shake it. It's totally secure. It is very good to take with you for work or, you know, exercises. So yeah, I think I'm going to do you a smoothie and show you how this machine works. So we'll do a smoothie. I'm thinking of doing a banana blueberry smoothie because it's just a easy everyday smoothie to make. I'm just going to ripe bananas. You can just push it down if it doesn't fit. I'm also using frozen wild blueberries. So I like a lot. So I'm probably using about half a cup of blueberries. Oops. Oops. So I think that's good. And today I thought I will use dates also, but be sure to inside seeds so it doesn't ruin your smoothie or your. So I have already cleaned up the dates. So this is 1 date and 2. And today I'm doing this, so I'm using just water. You can use juice, yogurt, milk, plant-based milk, whatever you like. So, but today I'm just using water. So let me see if I can pour it nicely. Okay. Wow. So 1 glass of water. So as you can see, everything is inside, and now we'll test the blender. Just put this away. You look at the arrow and you put it in place, push it down and turn. So we're ready to blend. Usually it takes about 60 seconds to make a totally smooth smoothie, but let's see how long will take to do today. So let's look at how is the end result. So now you just turn it off, and here is the smoothie. I don't know if you can see it. So here is the smoothie. As you can see, it's totally smooth. I'm really happy about this result, and as you can see, I have about half of it left, so it's like two glasses or 2 cups here. So yeah, I think it turned out very nice, no chunks at all. So I'm going to pour out this the second half of this smoothie, so you could see if there is any chunks in the bottom or not. Whoops, I don't think it fits. Okay, it does. So yeah, here you go. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.